Hello, dear students, how are you? Actually, in this video, we are about to study covered distance in nth second. Distance covered in nth second. Okay, actually, it's have a meaning. What is that? This is the distance covered in n second. How many second? N second. Okay, and this is the distance covered in n minus 1 second. Total distance covered in n second, and this distance covered in n minus 1 second. So this distance is covered in how many second? 1 second. Okay, that is the nth second. That is the nth second. Now in Hindi, okay, what is that? It total distance n सेकंड में कवर की गई है. ये टोटल डिस्टेंस n माइनस 1 सेकंड में कवर की गई. मतलब अगर ये 100 सेकंड में तो ये 99 सेकंड में. सो ये डिस्टेंस जो बची वो 1 सेकंड में ही तो चली गई. ठीक है, यानी वो सेकंड कौन सा है? 100th. ठीक है, 100वां सेकंड है वो. दैट इज nth second. Now we want to counter this distance to find out. So let's see. That is nth second will be gained by Sn minus 1. When I subtract this distance from this, then we will get this. Okay, so now take the formula. What is ut plus half at square for t equals n. Okay, and minus ut plus half at square for the timing t equals n minus 1. So now put up the t equals n minus 1. Now my dear students, un half an square un minus u plus half a, my dear students, a minus b to the whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab. Now we forward it on calculation. Un half an square minus un plus u minus half an square minus half a and minus plus an. My dear student, if you will give me attention, then after interact to this, I want to write this as half a into 2n. Okay, when I multiply half a with 2n, and this is minus, so minus plus. Now dear students, u1 will be cancelled by u1, half an square will be cancelled by half an. So I get here what? I get here, see this, snth, what is u. Okay, I will common. What I will common? I will common that 2a. What is common? 2a. Okay, so now let's see. One minute after deleting this. Dear students, please see this. when I common half a in both, half a, here remains 2n minus 1. 2n here remains, half a common, this is minus 1. So that is the distance covered in nth second, u plus half 2n minus 1. When question asking in 17th second, 17वें सेकंड में चली गई दूरी, देन वी विल पुट ऑन द प्लेस ऑफ n 17, 17 वो होगा 17वें सेकंड में चली गई दूरी, 17वें सेकंड, 16 बीतने के बाद 17वें से 16वें. सो लेट्स मीट इन नेक्स्ट वीडियो. गुड बाय, टेक केयर, बाय बाय.